Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to stop Instagram ads permanently. So go to the Instagram application. Once in there, head over to your profile. Then tap on any ad. And as you can see, this is the ad. So tap on the three dots. Tap on not interested. And then choose reason. And this ad will be hidden. And the second one you can do is keep tapped on your profile and tap on the three lines and then go to in here and search for ad preferences. So here you will find it, and if you can't find it, just search for ad preferences. So you'll find it in Meta, Account Center. So in here you have to go for, or you can just turn off personalized ads limit from here. And once you do it, you can just turn off professional ads and limit your data sharing. So yeah, this is a way with which you can stop Instagram ads permanently. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.